Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to tackle a topic that's on everyone's mind. Those pesky English grammar mistakes that won't seem to go away. I'm going to highlight 10 common mistakes foreign students make, explain why they happen, and show you how to correct them. Let's dive in. Mistake 1. Misusing to and to. To is used for prepositions and infinitives, while to means also a very. Incorrect. I want to go to the movies. Correct. I want to go to the movies. Mistake 2. Confusing there, and there. There refers to a place. There shows possession, and there is a contraction of they are. Incorrect. They're going to their house. Correct. They're going to their house. Mistake 3. Misusing its and its. It's a contraction of it is or it has, while its shows possession. Incorrect. The cat lost its tail. Correct. The cat lost its tail. Create your own example and leave it in the comments. Mistake 4. Using less instead of fewer. Less is used for uncountable nouns, while fewer is used for countable nouns. Incorrect. I have less apples than you. Correct. I have fewer apples than you. Mistake 5. Using good instead of well. Good is an adjective, while well is an adverb. Incorrect. I feel good today. Correct. I feel well today. Mistake 6. Confusing then and then. Then refers to time, while then is used for comparisons. Incorrect. He is taller than me. Correct. He is taller than me. Mistake 7. Misusing who and whom. Who is used as a subject, while whom is used as an object. Incorrect. Whom did you see at the party? Correct. Who did you see at the party? Share your example with one of the words in the comments. Mistake 8. Misusing between and among. Between is used for two things, while among is used for more than two. Incorrect. He was among the two best students. Correct. He was between the two best students. Mistake 9. Misusing for and since. For is used for a period of time, while since is used for a point in time. Incorrect. I have lived in London for 2015. Correct. I have lived in London since 2015. Mistake 10. Confusing borrow and lend. Borrow means to take something from someone, while lend means to give something to someone. Incorrect. I will borrow you some money. Correct. I will lend you some money. So there you have it. 10 English mistakes to avoid. Remember, learning a new language takes time and practice. Subscribe for more English tips and tricks and let me know in the comments what are the mistakes you have struggled with. Thanks for watching.